Welcome to another episode with Blue Lagoon Tours, straight out of Portland, Jamaica with Trey Day and the team. Just watch and enjoy and respect for your support.
Yeah peeps, lovely morning to you guys. You know, the problem we are going to link the plant, man. I did reach 8 o'clock, but they have some delays. Something there. Today, me not think me will plant them today though, because I have to go babysit my daughter. Because her mother got work this evening, this afternoon. So you don't know, I might plant up somewhere on a yard, and then tomorrow I'm going to plant up the rest around so. But it's a beautiful day. We get some rain last night, so I know say them see the bus up wicked now. As when I did a show, the pop show see them start bus up already. I don't know how I go and feed tomato. Tomato see them a bus 1-1. You see it like I don't see a portion of bus one time. So I don't know. But me they are castle here, so you saw me fling past, you see it. Then I normally see a lot of cows and then something around here, so. But a lot me have in store, peeps, because I want to get one pig. I just want to farm up some enough more something, you see it. If me they have more land space, you know, me I tell you a lot of things me do. And better said, if me did have one next me, a lot more stuff would have get done. You see it. Trailer pass. One thing with full road narrow. So you have to always drive like say you expect something forward. You can't drive and say, oh, me just step on my side and oh, I have to break up from a distance and him something there. There's a lot to driving. You see it. Especially on narrow road. We're full of pothole. If you can't drive, trouble did there. But we almost reach still. So big up on yourself and stay tuned until we reach. So when you replant, then something there, like you chop off them part there and it grow, it spring up nice. Okay.
Some people put off in there, some people don't. You sucker them with the pan there. Because sometimes they want made that something there. They want sucker quick.
Oh.
If they want sucker quick, you let them.
Yeah. Before my grandfather did me, this scene do this up a long time, you know, but I didn't know. I didn't know why. Because then time I'm a young boy.
Yeah, man. Like under these people perish.
Yeah, true.
This is a bus, why? Super,
Alright.
Drop that one there.
So tell me something now, like beetroot now. Or beetroot, how you deal with beetroot? Because I don't have a farmer's store, I buy some, but I say more than try out. What you do, run like?
I see they have to buy it.
Yeah man, I eat my buy. You do run like, what you call it, sweet potato? Oh, okay.
Go like here.
Oh.
Well, that time I'm in now, man, it's planting me. I love some seed right
Mm-hmm.
there.
So like in a them time I good for plant what?
I'm a little melon.
Melon. Oh, that means I'm on good time in with the melon them.
Some are melon corn.
Yeah.
You can plant sweet potato. But this time a little bit too dry right
Too dry, yeah. Cause from one day me anticipate for rainfall, but cause me I work with the weather app, but come like it a fall somewhere else. Cause every time I say rain for fall, I don't see none come. I just last night alone. And I look a bit we get. Only thing with that now, I force it a really farm pan. So me have good topsoil. But beneath it, I think more the beneath it far down. Yeah.
Yo. Where do you want to the camera? Where do you want to the camera?
Yeah, cause through sometime I vlog it. So I like video it more while. And then more while I look back and say, yeah, I did start here so and which part I reach down in the future.
Well, they will dig you all them. I make them stick here around a week.
Okay. So dig you hole them and stay for about a week and then alright.
We normally plant 3 days after a new moon.
3 days after a new moon.
Right up back to
Okay. Alright, we take a note of that. Eh? Alright, no respect.
You know, like works that start, start.
Yeah.
Help a man to start.
Yeah. No respect for that.
Do that.
Yeah.
Because this our lady, why am I there, so? Our man did give me as the first one. And the lady come and say, wow, we'll continue work. Which me appreciate.
Yeah.
So anytime you can pass on a kindness
towards somebody, yeah.
pass it on.
I true that.
Pass it on. And check everything to yourself. You want success in life? That you have to
Cause them say the kindness they go far away, you know.
Hey. I know money me have enough. And me a rich man. But God has been good to me in many ways.
Yeah, me understand.
And without God in our man life,
Yeah.
there's nothing.
True.
Nothing whatsoever. Man may take it simple. Sometimes big, sometimes go far away.
Is that true?
Never use self-esteem for others.
I don't know how people do that though. I something I always sit down and wonder. And the next thing, you know, when a man a thief, you know, a man no say, aye, for example, a man a thief, when me use cane for example, man broke out the cane field, but yet still in a plant back the head of the cane them. Yeah, so it's like, why? Yeah, me put it right there, so. Because you see, if a man a take and then say, oh, alright, you better me ask, get a sucker. Yeah. Take a sucker then where you can plant at your place and make more come. Or the end idea, if you take from a man ground, plant back. So if you do get catch, the man will say, yeah, put back. Which is not good seeing way, but yeah, put back. But they don't do it so nowadays. Then just take until you're destroyed.
I don't know that.
Yeah, exactly.
You have to find some other feeding ground. That's you say, ego, yes?
I don't understand how they operate.
Tomorrow you take stay away. One day I'll get catch.
Yeah, that's true.
And you know where in a man mind.
That's true. Cause some man get fed up more.
Cause when I said that plan work one time, you know. Yeah man. 2000 and around. In 2000. What I plant out this plan. Not these sisters and Mr. Plant.
Jeez, same thing.
Because when the man come at night.
Oh, yeah, at night them normally operate with you. People don't have no conscience nowadays and the young get worse and worse.
Yeah, 2 water race. Then for that race too.
Yeah, what do you buy two goat there? Make sure I get one mother and one kid and I get one ram goat from up hardware. Make sure watch them good, you know, cause yeah. Yeah, man, make sure watch them good, cause near where I live, Zion Hill Fair Hill. I always hear say thief them walk through them places.
So they group. And they group.
Yeah, well, down Blue Lagoon side. Cause some people call the whole of this side there, Fair Hill. But like to be specific, a Blue Lagoon or Blue Hole are my address.
You know Benton?
Benton is my father.
Your father?
Yeah, I did. Well, what you know yours?
I don't think you know me name, but we know each other.
Okay.
Why years me not see? Me never know.
Yeah, man, Colonel, he still do fishing, but Colonel hardly come road. Younger time, Colonel, I chew this morning in tired, make me not carry him with me. Yeah.
What go see yesterday?
He go see last night.
Chop off the tank clean. Chop off the one and clean you. 5 years to make clean it. That one,
Oh boy, that's so. Alright.
Nah, I'm gonna cut off his table and stuff for them.
Alright.
See, that's what I'm gonna store. You must like looking at in my house. Let me show you what that. You might bust the bag in the bottom.
Oh. Let me ask you something. Them pioneer, because what day we are talking about this up hardware? Where spring name for sucker there? How are they name?
Which one?
They like the one that we spring we have so much sucker under it.
Cheese pan, that one there.
When name cheese?
Cheese pan, that one there.
Okay. Like me I tell them boy pine we spring enough sucker, but they don't know what I talk. Then keep on talk about sugar loaf.
Sugar loaf are different.
This?
That's a sugar loaf.
Oh, okay.
See, it look different.
Yeah. Okay.
Yo. Yeah, man, one more time.
Okay. Yeah, peeps. So it's a good look. So now I get pine sucker and them something there. Everything free at cost, you know. I mean, you come with the intention, say I buy. But as when you hear from yourself, I'm like when young youths are try. So that is a good look. So the bag may come fire now. Alright. Let me a sugar loaf. Hey. Got a cheese pine, peeps. Spring a lot of sucker. You see that? Beautiful. And this now a sugar loaf.
Banana too.
Well, you have banana?
Banana sugar down there. Banana sugar.
Alright. Alright, so what you say with them now?
Oh, you clean them up like this. There.
Oh.
Let's take off the bottom leaf then.
Oh, got root under them there.
I expose the root.
Okay.
Root then,
Yeah.
So when they get contact with water now then grow. Clean off your sugar.
Oh.
Like bottom one then. Or expose yourself. But if you take off them encouraging the root.
Mm-hmm.
Take off all of them bottom one. It's ready for plant.
Okay, next thing.
Pass it down. Same thing for
Makes sense.
do it and plant. The quick time then start take 2 times. Start to grow.
Oh. Alright, that is a good look.
So you go to work with the picker or your hoe or your fork and you plant them as deep as you can. Not too deep still, but you know.
Just cover it to bowl in part, yeah.
You just hold it like this.
Oh.
Hold it like this and just push in like one. So this side one. Oh, they are bushy, man.
Okay. Alright. True that.
Sometimes people teach and do.
Yeah. Them are black though. Them are black, man. But me not too mess around apple, mostly my father. Cause sometime one long time he did give me colic. Yeah. But then a good breed apple this.
Yeah, man. Good apple. Good.
Oh man, this refreshing, man.
Yeah, man.
The 2 years, so? 2 years. Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah, man, me up forward. Before I left, I take two of them sucker here. We'll see if me can catch him.
But with the seed, let your plant the seed.
Better plant the seed. Alright.
Just take the seed and just put it anywhere you want it
Yeah.
and use it.
Alright, I'll do that.
It come up quick with that.
See that peeps? Watermelon, you know. Alright, so it's a banana. So and see you something here. We in a wheelie while sitting on it, show me where there. Or show me where me there. Something currently I say show direction, I let them play with it. We can while show me east. Nah. Nah, show me at all. That's our one. Same way. If I come like some little boy, I manage some big woman. Star. Yo, come here, sweet. Please, yeah, man. Get enough pine sucker. Hey. Yeah, babes, I'm thirsty, I know. So I have to go look something to drink. But yo, good people still there on, you know. All of this, so me get. He say no charge me for them. Because me is a youth where I try and he like to see that. You see me? You're not supposed to hear it on the video too. You see it. So it's a good look. And I appreciate that too. I appreciate that. So by next year them time I'm supposed to kind of read. Alright. Good people still there both. So I don't know what time now, I don't eat no breakfast yet or nothing. Just eat 2 apples but you start riding my stomach. Because I'm hungry. But as I tell him, one idea that I come give him a strength and help the bushy place. You see, you support me, me support you. You see me, so the thing said. I mean, I have no problem to get a strength, you know, because I want a strength. You see. So that is it. I have to stop at one of them shops and get something for drink. You know, see none of them they open. One liquor store there right there, so we should stop by it. So I take 4 banana sucker. You see me, them they can go and do them thing. I have 10 planting sucker. He say when more and more I just link him. But we are going to work with them there until our next time. Around a yard not prepare yet really. They cut down some tree but the whole place was clean up and burn out. That's it, so. But a lot of pine sucker me get still. And could get some more. And I just me use my conscience, you know. Not because you have the advantage you can do things, you go abuse it. I see more, I may not take them. You see it. I have to use a conscience and it come like me full of that. You see me? Because if for example do something they bought and I know more people they road, may I take half of one. You see me? If one did especially for me, We take it one, but me I go share the one with somebody else who me know might want too. It's like me have a lot of conscience. You see me? But you have people when me come across when I have no conscience, none at all. I have people too out there when I have no form of conscience. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder how they make life. Really and truly. I'm not plant them it's thing. But for sure you can think I grow up by the hours. Gotcha. Today they may cut it and see the good part of push up already. I think they're not push up for this. They want to have a banana. Think a banana. Yeah, banana them there. Plant one and cut much lower. Go for them water still. Ah!